Alright, Nick, I'm going to set you up here with your own quick fire starter kit. Grab your pack there, get her unwrapped, and while we're waiting for Nick, we have a complete fire kit, striker with a fatwood, and we have just strikers. Alright, here we go. Get you all set up. Swiss Army, don't leave home without it. Alright. So when you get a new quick fire, our ferrocerium rods are coated. So you're going to want to take your striker. One of the edges has a scraper edge on it. That's how we designed it when it was cut. And you're going to want to take that and scrape all of that paint off of that ferrocerium rod. And you'll know when you get down to the ferrocerium, because all of a sudden it's just going to start spitting sparks. Yeah, it's on there pretty good because it just keeps it from corroding. Alright, there we go. So I'll take your stick of fatwood. You get your striker on the same angle that you were striking your ferrocerium with. And you're going to scrape on your fatwood stick and create a pile of nice, fluffy, resiny Canadian pine fatwood. You get a nice little pile. Awesome. That looks big enough there. Alright, then you're going to take your striker and you're going to spit a spark right onto that pile of fatwood. There it goes. Even in the wind.
Look at it go.
Good to go.
Oh.
So sometimes even spreading a pile out, bigger target for the spark. Oh, there he goes.
There we go.
Right on, right on. Bushcraft 101. Quick fire, complete fatwood kit. Don't leave home without it.